Do you want to be able to hide who you follow on Twitter? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do so, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes on this process. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to my Twitter app right here, as you can see. So you need to go to your Twitter app, and then now when you're on your Twitter app, then what you need to do first is to click on your profile picture in the top left corner. So click on your profile picture, and then you should be taken here. What you need to do in here is to click where it says settings and support. So click on settings and support, and now just scroll down and click on settings and privacy. And as you can see, you're now taken to this page right here. What you need to do in here is to click where it says privacy and safety. So click on privacy and safety in here, and in here you need to click where it says audience and tagging. And then you need to basically click where it says protect your tweets. So enable this one right here, because this should actually make sure that your account on Twitter should actually be private, basically. So this is the first step. But let's say that you actually would like to hide who you follow to a specific person. So you just want like one specific person, or multiple persons for that matter as well, to not be able to see like who you follow. Well, then what you need to do is to just search for their account. So let's say that let's say that I don't want Elon Musk to be able to see who I actually follow on Twitter. Well, then I need to come to his profile right here and then click on the three dots in the top right corner. And in here you need to basically click where it says block, like Elon Musk, basically, because when you actually block somebody on, or not like block Elon Musk, but just block somebody, of course, just, yeah, I think you know what I mean. So basically just like click where it says block, and yeah, then what will happen is that that person that you actually block will be able to like, yeah, will not be able to see exactly who you follow. So basically this is exactly how you can actually be able to hide who you follow to other people on Twitter. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.